Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear shock for Land Rover Range Rover L322 without VDS. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth installation of your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, remove the rear wheel and the Voss fitting from the air spring. Allow the air spring to fully deflate. Now remove the cargo deck lid and the 3 upper mounting nuts. Next, remove the lower shock mounting nut and bolt. Disconnect the shock from the lower control arm and remove it. Now install the shock and the 3 upper mounting nuts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts according to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. The next step is to install the lower shock mount nut and bolt. Reconnect the air spring Voss fitting and return the cargo area to its former state. Lastly, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott rear shock for the Land Rover Range Rover L322. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing,